Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jovany. As you guys could tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a product review, and it's the behold very popular Lunar Beauty Light is a Drag palette. This is by Manny. I'm pretty sure you guys know who he is. Can we take a second and look at this packaging? This is gorgeous. It's like a mirrored opaque kind of packaging. This is the package. This is the actual palette, as you guys could tell. Does have like a reflex, like rainbow effect on it. It's very freaking gorgeous. So you do open it, you do get like a wonderful mirror. I know everybody loves mirrors and palettes, and this is this color scheme. This is what I was excited about. You don't normally see palettes like this. You usually see all color palettes or all neutral palettes. So this palette really did excite me because you do see like 6 neutral shades and you do see 6 colorful shades, which to me it's freaking amazing because I don't know, it's just fucking amazing. Like, you never see this color scheme, and I'm really excited for this palette. I haven't seen no reviews because I do want to give you guys my honest review in it. So I'm just gonna be doing a look with this palette. Obviously I do want to use this section of the palette because obviously it does inspire people to do more color. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I create on my eyes with this gorgeous palette, then just keep on watching. I just applied a little bit of translucent powder just because I don't know if these palettes, these eyeshadows are going to have fallout. And I did zoom you guys in a little bit. I don't know if you guys could tell about the quality of my videos, but I'm not filming in my iPhone anymore. I actually could film back on my camera just because I do have something to edit my videos again. So I'm going to start by grabbing the Morphe G24 brush. It's just from the Gunmetal collection. And I'm going to be grabbing the yellow shade in the palette, which is Campy. I'm just going to be grabbing, the palette is fucking pigmented. And I'm just going to be blending it in the inner part of my eye. The way this shadow is blending on my eye, it's freaking amazing. I am freaking loving these shadows. So that's the way, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this is the way the yellow looks. You don't want to blend yellow shadows so much just because they do kind of turn like into like this mustardy green color. So I recommend just stamping the color and just blending the edges slowly, just so you won't get that ugly blend that usually yellow shadows do give you. So now I'm just going to be grabbing the shade Kai Kai. It's just the pink shadow in there. And I'm just going to be applying this next to the yellow. This is a different color shadow, so I do want to see how they blend together. Obviously a yellow and a pink are not really going to blend really well, but maybe the shadows will surprise me. Wow, this pink is fucking pigmented. Wow, this freaking Kai Kai shade is freaking amazing. You guys have to keep in mind creating matte color shadows is very hard just because they could come out patchy and obviously they cannot have like pigmentation. So now I'm going to be grabbing the shade Pageant Queen, which is just that purple shadow in the palette, which is the early purple matte shadow. And I'm just going to be blending it into the pink. And I'm using a Morphe M513 brush. Use code Manny. I don't know if the camera is picking these colors up, but they look so amazing. This purple is blending like a dream. So now I'm going to be going into Snatch, which is this red tone purple. I'm going to be grabbing a Coastal Scents brush. This is a BRC N06 brush. And I'm just going to be grabbing the tiniest bit of that reddish just to deepen up my crease area. So I'm just going to be applying this in the crease. I'm not bringing it so high, just to add depth on my eye, because I'm going to cut my crease. Oh bitch, this eye is snitched. So now I'm just going to be grabbing a little bit of my concealer. I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. And I'm just going to be putting it a little bit on back of my hand and just cutting my crease. So before the concealer dries, I'm going to be going and grabbing the shade Beat, which is a shimmer kind of foiled shadow. This is the swatch right here. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. That is pigmented, honey. Sorry, that's concealer. Damn, it's so pigmented. It's more like a glittery consistency. I don't know if you guys could tell, I did swatch it so I have like glitter all over my hand. But it's a beautiful color. I'm going to put it only in my inner part of my eye. I'm not going so high because I do want like a gap between that cut crease. I want like a double cut crease situation going on. Damn girl, Manny, you did that. This is fucking amazing. The shade is friggin' gorgeous. Can I put this all over my face, please? So I'm gonna be grabbing the shade Kiki, which is just a blue, baby blue shadow. I don't know how pigmented this is. Oh, and on the fallout, I don't know if you guys could tell, it doesn't have very much fallout. It just has like a normal palette would have. It's nothing compared to Anastasia's Subculture palette. So yeah, I'm just going to be applying this shade next to that Beat shadow. And obviously I do want that gap up there, so don't go as close to the crease. Don't worry about blending so much right now. We are going to go and blend later on. So I just want to apply the colors right now. Okay, once I started blending that Kiki shade out, the patchiness did go away. So that's pretty good. So probably it was just the way I was applying it. So once I started blending out the shadow into Beat, the patchiness did go away. So I'm just going to be grabbing the palette again and grabbing the shade Fishy, which is that brighter, darker blue compared to Kiki. And I'm just going to be grabbing the same Morphe brush. This is the Morphe M167. Use code Manny MEA for 10% off. So I'm just going to be applying this to the outer part of the eye. Whoa, she's pigmented. So I'm just going to be dragging this color out like a wing liner. So I'm just going to start blending the dark blue into Kiki. So I'm done with the palette for now. I'm going to be going into this Tarte. This is a Tarte Eye Jewels liner. It has like a metallic side and it has like a glittery side. These are freaking amazing. These remind me of the Urban Decay glitter liners. These do take a little bit longer to dry, but they're freaking amazing. So I'm going to grab the metallic side first. And I'm going to be tracing that cut crease in the middle where I did not apply shadow. So this is going to stand out a little bit more. So that's how the metallic liner looks. I did go like over it twice just to get this opacity, because one swipe is not going to give you very much color. So going it over around a little bit more will give you more of that color payoff. So now I'm going to be going into using the glitter liner, and I'm just going to be putting it on top just so I can have a little bit of sparkle, because you can never have too much sparkle. So I just applied a little bit of black liner just to make the lid colors pop a little bit more. I'm just going to finish this eye off camera, and I'll be right back. So I'm done with my eyes. As you can tell, I did zoom you guys out. For the sake of the video, I think it's appropriate to use another Manny product. This is the Jeffree Star X Manny Collab Highlighter in the shade Eclipse. I'm just going to use this to highlight my inner tear duct and to highlight my cheekbones. So for my lips, I do want to use something like pinky nude just to go with the pink vibe and bluish on my eyes. At first, I'm going to be lining my lips using the Italia Cosmetics Lip Liner in the shade Nude. And for the lips, I'm going to be using Kylie liquid lipstick in the shade Angel. It's just like a cute pink nude. So I'm just going to be applying this all over the lips. And on top of that liquid lipstick, I will be using the iluvsarahii Colourpop collaboration lip gloss in the shade Curvy. Well guys, this is the final look I created using the Lunar Beauty Likes a Drag palette. I have nothing but to say this freaking palette is freaking amazing. The shadows blend like a dream. The only shadow that did give me a problem was Kiki, which is the white blue eyeshadow. But once I started blending out little by little, the shadow came together and it looks freaking amazing on the eyes. These shadows blend so freaking amazing. Like Manny says, they are so pigmented. I freaking do recommend this palette. This palette is $45. It does come with a brush, but somewhere on the floor I dropped it. So I do totally recommend this palette. I do recommend. I like, again, I even say it, I like the way it has pops of color in here, because it does take you out of your comfort zone. So I do recommend this palette. This palette is like a 10 out of 10 on me. I will totally buy this palette. And if I finish it, I will totally repurchase it. I don't know if this palette is permanent. I don't know if it's limited edition for his brand. But I will leave it down below. And I will leave it. I don't know if it's in stock, but I will leave the link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this palette. Again, this palette is freaking amazing, and I hope you guys like this review. I hope you guys like watching my tutorials. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and hit that ring notification sign for you guys notified when for you guys to get notified when I upload a video. YouTube's going through this BS right now, so it's not notifying people or showing people on their subscription box. Other products used in this video, obviously I did not show you guys how I did my face, but I will leave all the products down below if you guys are interested. I will leave all my social media down below as well, so you guys can follow me there. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.